Hey guys, today we're talking about how your textured ceiling can impact your renovation. I'm Paul from Contract Renovation and Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So if you're in a house, say from the 50s to early 90s, you probably have textured ceilings in your home. And it's typically a stipple or some sort of product or a popcorn ceiling that maybe looks dated, you want to update it. However, that can be costly depending on how much you have in your home and whether there's division between the rooms or not. Also, often texture can have asbestos in it, so make sure you get that tested first before you make any plans to remove it. In this case, the texture ran throughout the main floor consistently with no breaking points, but we had to modify the kitchen pot light grid. So we opted to go a bit of a creative route here, and we ultimately scraped in a line and removed the texture from the kitchen area and left it in the balance of the dining room and living area. And by doing that, basically, it saved the client a bunch of money having to replace or remove the texture throughout the main floor. And also it helps to define the kitchen as a separation from the kitchen to dining area. So it's one creative way to do it. This doesn't always work. It just depends on the texture that you have and what, optically looks attractive to you. But in this case, certainly was cost effective and it looks great. Helps define the footprint of the kitchen and saved a bunch of money. There you go. Okay, if you have any questions about what to do with your texture, please do reach out. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Have a great day.